Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to fix high ping in Roblox. So firstly, we have to change our DNS to the DNS of Google. In order to do that, go to Control Panel, then click on Network and Sharing Center. Now change adapter settings. Now right click on your Ethernet connection, go to Properties, click on Internet Protocol version 4, then select Properties again. Now click on Use the following DNS server address, and the preferred DNS server should be 8.8.8.8 and alternative should be 1.1.1.1. Now hit OK. Now close this window. After that, you have to flush our DNS resolver cache. In order to do that, open command prompt. In command prompt, you have to type ipconfig space / flush DNS. Now hit enter and you're good to go. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.